This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your GMC Sierra key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 battery. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process. It's also a good idea to work on a clean, well-lit surface. This helps prevent any tiny components from getting lost during the procedure. Let's get started. Now, let's find the key fob's opening point. Carefully examine the sides of your GMC Sierra key fob. You'll notice a small notch or a thin seam running along its perimeter. This is where the two halves of the fob connect. Often, this notch is most prominent near the key ring attachment point. Identifying this seam is crucial for a clean and damage-free opening. Take your time to locate it precisely. With the seam located, it's time to carefully open the key fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or the edge of your coin into the notch you found. Gently twist the tool. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Apply steady, even pressure around the seam. Avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is a smooth, controlled separation. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Now, take your new battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.